I've come to Google Sites and we're going to make a new website. And the main dashboard is split into two. The top section here in grey has got some templates that you can use, the blank site to create a blank website without a template, and then in the space below are all the previous websites that you have created and are currently managing. We're not going to use a template because we're going to learn how to use all the features, so we're going to click on blank site. And so this page loads up and there's a lot going on the page here, but fundamentally you've got this big white section at the bottom of the page here is where you add your content. The top section here is the title or the banner, and this next section here is to give your website a name, and over here on the right hand side is how you add content and format your pages. So you've got three tabs here. You've got insert, pages and themes. You've also got settings up here, and we'll look at those as we go along. And also you've got this view option here, or preview, which is a very important feature in to use as you edit and build your website. So basically you've got the header and the title and the main body of the page and a way to add content, and that is simply the overview. Now we're going to look at how we can start to edit the main features of the page and start to build content.